வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஸ்டேஷன். இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோவில் 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 2 சிவிக்ஸ் யூனிட் 1 ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்கலாம். டேக் த பேஜ் 168. Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. First one, what is the minimum age for becoming a member of the Legislative Council? Answer is D option 30 years. Second, how many states does India have? Answer is C option 28. Third one, the word state government refers to government departments in the state's legislative assembly, both A and B. So C option is the right answer, both A and B. Number 4, the overall head of the government in the state is the governor. C option, governor. Fifth one, who appoints the chief minister and other ministers? Answer is C option, governor. Sixth, who becomes the chief minister? Answer is A option, leader of the majority party. Number 7, what are the 3 branches of the state government? Answer is D option, legislative, executive and judiciary. D option is the right answer. Moving to Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the governor is appointed by the president. Answer is president. Second, the leader of the majority party is appointed as chief minister in the state assembly. Answer is chief minister. Number 3, dash is the highest judicial organ of the state. Answer is High Court. Fourth, MLA stands for Member of Legislative Assembly. Answer is Member of Legislative Assembly. Number 5, dash is a particular area. Form இருக்கும் அதை strike out பண்ணிட்டு from எழுதிக்கோங்க. From where all the voters living there choose their representatives. Answer is constituency. Sixth one, the elected representatives who are not the member of ruling party are called opposition party. Moving to Roman number 3, match the following. First one, MLAs, legislative assembly. Second, governor, head of the state. Chief minister, leader of the majority party. Union territories 8. So 7 illa 8 in change பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Fort St. George, Secretariat. So answer is 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Number 4th Roman letter. Consider the following statements, tick the appropriate answer. Which of the following statement is or are not correct? First one, to become a governor, 1, should be the citizen of India, should have completed 25 years of age, should have sound mind and should not hold any office of profit. So answer is 4th option B. Correct statement என்னன்னா should have completed 35 years of age. இங்க 25 years னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So that statement is not correct. B option, 4th option B is the right answer. Second, consider the following statements and state true or false. A, MLAs are together responsible for the working of the government. Statement is true. Then B, all the MLAs of other political party who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition. True. C, MLAs are not the representatives of people. The statement is false. Correct statement வந்து MLA தான், MLA or the representatives of the people. Third one, find out the correct meaning of bicameral legislature. So meaning of bicameral legislature na C option. It means that there are 2 houses like upper house and lower house. C option is the right meaning for bicameral legislature. Fourth one, assertion. India has a federal system of government. Reason, according to our constitution, the power is divided between central and state governments. Answer is A option. Assertion is correct and reason explains R. Moving to Roman number 5, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, what are the qualifications to become the governor of a state? Page number 166. So from the question you have to the qualifications to become the governor of a state ன்னு எழுதிட்டு point wise எழுதுங்க. 166ல மேல இருக்கு பாருங்க. Sorry, page number 166. Yeah, 166ல should be the citizen of India and should have completed 35 years of age and should have sound mind and should not hold any public office of profit. Roman number 5th first one answer. Question லந்து எழுதிட்டு இதை எழுதிக்கோங்க. Second question, who are called oppositions? Page number 165. Who are called opposition? See, all the MLAs of other political parties who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition party. So இந்த drawingக்கு கீழே லாஸ்ட் லைனில் இருக்கு பாருங்க, all the MLAs blue கலரில் ஹைலைட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறது, all the MLAs of the other political parties who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition party. Roman number 5th second one answer. Then third question, write a note on Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat, page number 167. See 167ல green கலரில் ஹைலைட் பண்ணியிருக்கு பாருங்க. Lok Adalat People's Court also have been established by the government of India to settle dispute through conciliation and compromise. Roman number 5th third one answer. Then fourth one, what is a constituency? Page number 168. Fill in the blanks ல fifth one இருக்கு பாருங்க. Constituency is a particular area from where all the voters living there choose their representatives. And the fifth fill in the blanks full எழுதிக்கோங்க. Roman number 5th ல fourth one ஓட answer. Fifth fill in the blanks. Fifth one, who appoints the chief minister and other ministers? Answer, the governor appoints the chief minister and other ministers. Answer, who எடுத்துட்டு the governor எழுதிக்கோங்க. Roman number 6, answer the following in detail. First one, describe the powers of governor. Page number 166. Powers of governor 166ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. இந்த drawing இருக்கா, அதுக்கு கீழே இந்த டீச்சர் பேராகிராஃபில் இருக்கு பாருங்க, பர்பிள் கலரில் ஹைலைட் பண்ணதெல்லாம். Governor is the head of the state executive. First point. Second point, all the administration is carried on in his name. Second point, all bills become law only after his assent. Third point, he appoints important officials of the state government such as Advocate General, Chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission, State Election Commissioner, Vice Chancellors of State Universities, etc. Okay, 4 points. Roman number 6th first one highlight பண்ணது மட்டும் எழுதிக்கோங்க. Second detail, who is an MLA? Page number 167. Who is an MLA? Sorry, page number 165ல இருக்கு பாருங்க MLAக்கு. The member of the legislative assembly is called MLA. Okay, அதை எழுதிக்கோங்க. The member of the legislative assembly is called MLA. First point. Second, they are elected by the people through general election. Second point. Third point, the candidate who gets the more number of votes is declared as elected and becomes MLA. That is third point. So இந்த highlight பண்ணியிருக்கிறதுலாம் first point, then second point, then third point, அதுக்கடுத்து fourth point எழுதிட்டு MLAs are the representatives of the people. Fourth point இங்கே எழுதியிருக்கேன் பாருங்க. So totally 4 points for the second detail. Third question, what is the role of chief minister and other council of ministers at the state level? Page number 166. இங்கே இருக்கு பாருங்க. The chief minister is the real executive head of the state administration. He allocates the portfolios among the ministers. The chief minister formulates programs and policies for the welfare of the people of the state. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state. So short பண்ணது totally first 2, 3, 4 points வருது. Roman number 6th third one answer. Okay. Chief Minister அந்த highlight பண்ணியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா 6th Roman letter third one answer. Next. Roman number 7, higher order thinking questions. First one, name some departments of the government. Answer, Agriculture Department, Energy Department, Health and Family Welfare Department, Industries Department, Law Department, Public Works Department, School Education Department, Transport Department, Youth Welfare and Sports Department. Second, tabulate qualification, appointment and any two powers of governor, chief minister and MLAs. Post governor. Qualification, citizen of India, above 35 years of age, sound mind. Then appointment, appointed by the president. Powers, all administration is carried on his name. He appoints important officials of the state government. Then second, chief minister. Qualification, above 25 years of age, should be an MLA, appointed by the governor. Then powers, chief minister formulates officials and plans for welfare of the people, real executive head. Then third, MLAs. Qualification, above 25 years of age, appointment, elected by the people. Powers, responsible for state legislative assembly. All ministers work as a team with chief minister.